Want to block another user on TikTok, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to block or unblock someone on TikTok. Now let's get started. To block someone on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to their profile either by tapping their username or profile icon, or by searching for their page. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner of their profile. In the menu that appears, tap Block. Tap Block in the pop-up to confirm. If you change your mind and want to unblock someone, go to your TikTok profile. Tap the menu icon at the top. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Then scroll down and select Blocked Accounts. Here you'll see a list of all the people you've blocked. Tap Unblock next to their name to unblock them. That's all it takes to block or unblock someone on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.